Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the ZMOON ZM201 Professional OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants to be able to diagnose and fix issues with your vehicle on your own, then this is the tool for you. The ZM201 has all the OBD2 functions you need, including reading and clearing codes, turning off engine lights, viewing freeze frame data, reading IM readiness, retrieving vehicle VIN, and so much more. It even has a battery voltage test and live data stream with graphing display, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's performance in real time. One of the best features of the ZM201 is its 35901 DTC lookup, which is a huge advantage compared to other OBD2 scanners on the market. This means that the ZM201 can better help diagnose and solve your vehicle faults, saving you time and money in the long run. Not only that, but the ZM201 is compatible with 98% of vehicles produced after 1996 in the USA, 2002 in the EU, and 2008 in Asia. With its user-friendly design and convenient shortcut functions, this scanner is perfect for both amateur and professional mechanics. With a 2.8-inch color screen, customizable display options, and audible beep notifications, using the ZM201 is a breeze. Plus, it comes with a canvas storage bag and a Type-C cable for connecting to your computer. And let's not forget the customer-oriented services offered by ZMOON. With a 60-day return policy and 3-year replacement service, they truly have your satisfaction and peace of mind in mind. So, if you're ready to take control of your vehicle's diagnostics and save yourself time and money on unnecessary trips to the mechanic, click the link in the description to get your own ZMOON ZM201 Professional OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and automotive tips.